model, 2020 Citroen Berlingo Partner 650 Enterprise Bluehdi long MOT ready to work. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 92,520. MOT, the 31st of July 2025. Engine, 1499 cc Bluehdi 75 DV5RE. Transmission, 5-speed, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.